Welcome to forextrading.com. Let's discuss the upsides of short positions. So we're gonna talk about shorts. We're gonna talk about something I'm calling the gravity. Let's take a look at the chart. Well, something I want to tell you, something I want to share with you is often you might be thinking, what is the difference? What is the real difference between going long, or what is the difference between going short? Is it just the publication of data, different information, or different analysis that you're going short? Or is it you're waiting most of the time, like with stocks, for long positions to go with some good economy, with good global effect, with positive sentiment? Whatever you're thinking, I'd like to discuss that. Well, first of all, what I think about the market is that if we want to go long, whenever it's the uptrend or it's the range or anything, something has to happen. So there is a reason for a lot of buyers coming in, or there is a must for some people, some strong institutions or banks to come into the market and buy this position. Anyway, to grow fast to the upside, first of all, you need the uptrend. That's the first reason, especially if you want to follow with this kind of move to the upside. Through the upside, you need to have this growing trend, the uptrend. Second thing, something needs to happen. I mean, some kind of bigger move of some banks or institutions coming in. Some real buyers have to come in, or a lot of traders have to come in because of some important publication of economic information. And there are just reasons. And no matter what those reasons are, they have to occur, or it has to be some special occasion, special sentiment, special feedback from somebody or from the markets when they are moving positive and the strong move is continued. Well, as far as I'm trading, and I'm pretty much doing a lot of trades both ways, with shorts, it is very different. Well, first of all, you don't need a particular reason to go short. When the buyers are finishing with their positions or they're getting out of the market, you see those strong short moves. That's the first thing I would say. So a lot of people finishing their trading with long position, you'll see at the chart as a short because they have to sell if they buy before. So you see it on the chart that it's sold. Sometimes more sellers, when they see those big moves, are coming in just because the move has occurred. So you don't need some special publication or something needs to be done. No, not really. Sometimes just the move is producing another move. And I'm not saying that in a buy market it's different. I'm saying the possibility of trading short is much better than going long, because when it's going short fast. It's a rapid move. We see volatility, so we see important, strong, sometimes dramatic movement. So you're thinking right now what I'm trying to say. What I'm saying is it takes much longer time something to grow than to ruin something. That's why those movements are very fast to the downside. As you compare this move, for example, let's take it back to the end of the charts. That's the current situation. You see, there are some moments we have this beautiful, strong move to the upside. Well, it's not very often we see this kind of move. But let's take a look at the last example of the markets moving up and markets moving down. Well, first of all, you will practice it yourself as you try to measure how many candles we see. The first three digits at the mark I'm showing you right now is 220. That's the amount of the candles I'm showing you right now between the moves. So it's 220 candles, this kind of move. And so you see here this move was made by 220 candles, and almost the same downtrend move was made with 66 candles. You see 3 times more candles, so the move was 3 times stronger. Why? Because it's always with the panic of the market, because it's always with the sellout, it's always with those stop losses activated. So there are different concerns when people are going short. And another thing I wanted to say, you're not very often seeing kind of gravity of the selling market. Gravity is something I'm calling the when the market is in the downtrend and it is not really sure whether it wants to grow or going down. I mean, not a lot of buyers are coming in. Well, 90%, 80% of the time the market will turn down more or less strongly. It's because of the trend, and it's more or less the same with uptrend, but it's really more difficult to grow something. We need a strong buyers come in if we want to break some support resistance, and it's different with the short market. Well, bear market, when you want to break the support resistance, probably a lot of important sellers are coming in, but when there is a hesitation or nobody wants to buy, what's going to happen with the price? It's gonna fall. More or less, it's gonna fall down more. So most of these moments when the price is not sure, it's gonna fall down again. That's how it's happening. And when the price market is really when the price is showing you it's growing, we need more strong support from buyers to grow. And here we just don't have to have strong buyers market in order the market to fall. So let's take a look at another examples of this theory. I'm not saying you have to trust me. I'm just saying pay attention to the thing I'm saying. You can try it yourself with different charts. But let's see what we got here. For example, this is the daily chart. So right now we are looking. You see this big trend right here, the last biggest uptrend. Let's see, it was about 500 candles that developed this move, and look how fast this move right here came down in 95 candles. All this move was reached much faster than in an uptrend. So there is a bigger volatility when the panic arrives. So thing I'm saying right now, what I'm showing you, you're not gonna see it most of the time or use it, because a lot of time you'll see the uptrend or the market will be ranging. So you won't see these volatile moves to the downside where you can earn a lot in very short time taking shorts. As you see here, the market exceptionally was very strong to the upside. Just before Christmas, it reached it's the highest point here, and we had almost the same downturn going down. And here, let's compare those waves, how the market moved. Let's start from here. We had 230 candles to the upside, and almost 30-50% bigger move here was 150 candles. So you see to the downside in 150 candles, we got much stronger move and a much faster move, and there was a lot of action here. There was a lot of chances to go short and make a lot of money in a very short time, really. That's how I see it. And here the market always kind of for me it's a kind of struggle. So the market is struggling with the buyers and sellers, and it's really growing. We have the serious uptrend, but as far as I can see it, when the downtrend is starting to accelerate, it's all happening like 5 times more fast. That's how I see it. And the risk of management is much smaller when you have a serious trend, when you have strong trend, because your stop losses won't be activated so often, like in this kind of range situation like you're looking in right now. So we stopped at the daily chart. If you are interested with this theory and practice, please study some charts, maybe with different instruments, to see how it really happens, and wait maybe in the future for those moments when the market will accelerate in the downside, when the sellers will come into the market like it happened here, and it will be a very strong move to have a chance to go short. There are some traders, some sellers that some people prefer going short so much that they are called what I think they're called the plungers, or you have many words to describe this kind of behavior. They're looking for this situation for chances to going short very aggressively, because it's kind of easy and fast money. I'm not saying it's really simple to do this, like all forex behaviors are not really simple, but it's much easier when you know what you're doing, to invest some money in a short position like here in this downtrend. Thank you very much for listening. I hope these few ideas will be helpful. I will place this video also in strategies. So it is kind of a simple strategy, a general strategy to fit the way of the thing of the market, and how it could be useful for your wallet, for yourself. So thank you again. I hope to see you soon. I hope you hear some more interesting ideas. Thank you.